Oh, di ba? Lawi kayo dili katulog. Or, kay sayo pa ba? Still early. It's, 6 in the evening. So, supposed to be, hindi pa talaga ako matutulog this time. Pero dahil it's very, narinig niyo yun? You heard that? Sa kabilang bahay. Sa kabila yung rinig na rinig. Oh, oh. Charis. So, yeah, story time tayo. So, it's still too early here. But, kailangan, mas piliin kung dito na lang sa bed. It's because it's winter here. Very cold. Yes, mga inday, very cold. And look at my honey, darling, my love. Sarap ng tulog. Pero ako hindi makatulog. Gising na gising pa rin ako. I'm still, my spirit still flying around. Charis.